probably going to be loud too. So hold on.
Yeah. So this was sent to me from
This is from New Jersey.
New Jersey. Sorry, yeah, New Jersey.
Yeah.
Now, okay, look, I look at this. Okay, I mean, this was not just LA. Okay, there's 50, 45 sticky surge, baby, right? However, this actually happened quite a bit. So I got the same thing from Pennsylvania, Philly. I got the same thing from Florida. So Lyft was showing the candy, okay, in a lot of cases. And then, you know, I don't know, for one reason or another. This is 1:42 a.m., by the way. This is like peak time, $50. Give this driver the $50, right? Plus there's a streak. You do the streak, that's $100 hour right there if you grab a 50 or two. And then look what happened to this poor driver. Okay, go ahead. So look at this. And this is the trip they give the poor driver. I mean, hold on a second. I go, this is bullshit. Bullshit of bullshit. Where is the surge on this? Look at this, Chris. No bonus attached.
Yeah, where is it? And then
Yeah,
even
where is it?
you can see the pickup, and if you go back to that
Oh, $50.
this screen, it's still
$50, baby.
within the area.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Oh, Cheeky Chops is coming to LA. Yeah, give me a call.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, he should have gotten he or she actually it was a she. She should have grabbed the $50 right there, right? Guess what? Lyft being Lyft, right? Sends this trip to this poor driver. Now, in all honesty, this has some surge in it because if you looked at this on face value, this trip should not be priced at 25, 24, right? It makes sense. I mean, it's not. It's too much. It's $2 a mile. However, where's the 50? Where's the 40? Where's the 30 Lyft? Now, I talked to this driver via email. They said they tried to get into support. Everybody was hammering support. As you guys know, Lyft only has online support now. They don't they magically got rid of all the people they laid people off. So now they said it was a glitch. We're going to correct it. What you see is not real. And I'm going like, what kind of bullshit is that? Give these drivers the money due. They're making you money out there, right?
Well, here's the biggest thing. This is the biggest takeaway. This is why we always say screenshot everything.
No shit.
So even if you're sitting there waiting and you see surge, you're kind of in that, screenshot it. And then when you get the ride request coming in, screenshot it. So then that way you have the proof and you can say, hey, look, this is what's going on right here. And show me the money. That's supposed to be mine. And then that way you can actually go back and, try to challenge the fare. And that's kind of what we've been talking about when it comes to some of these requests that are coming in.
Yeah. I mean, they had surge on this, obviously, some sort of bonus because 13.2 miles, 19 minutes shouldn't be 25 under UFD upfront fares, and this is regular Lyft. So, they gave the driver something, but they didn't give her the surge. I'm like, hey, that's bullshit. But then they said it was a glitch and they fixed it. It shouldn't have been 50, all kinds of typical excuses. They go, it shouldn't be 50, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, zero surge or bonus on that trip, right? So, like I said, man, Uber did 745,000 orders.
How much is that per dime?
A dime, that would be, let's see,
$74,000,
$75,000 a dime. But I think they were dealing in bigger currency.
Oh, for sure. Because if you're charging the multiplier surge for riders and you're giving a flat rate surge to drivers,
yeah, that was good. That was a good day. It was a good day for them. It was a good day. Actually, look, that was, you know what? I'm going to stretch it and say it was a win-win-win kind of a day. New Year's in most cities. Okay, drivers made good bags of money. Passengers were paying, not complaining, and Uber and Lyft made money. It should be like that all the time. Okay, period. That's it.
Yep.
Hey, Vinny, hope you killed it. So. Yeah. So, but yeah, man. But anyway, yeah. So
well, the other thing too is, has anybody else had something like that when it came to driving on Lyft? Because it could be sporadic, it could be widespread. So just let us know what you've seen too in the comments. Again, if you're listening to the replay, make sure you comment below and let us know if you had that same experience, what had happened. And again, this is another reason why we just say screenshot everything.
Yeah, definitely. Screenshot the ping coming in, screenshot when you finish it. If you didn't get paid the same, at least you have some sort of proof. Okay.
Yep.
I mean, I'm not telling you you're going to get your money, but then at least you had some sort of proof. I'm like, hey, man, you can't show me 50 and not give me any. If you show me 50, at least give me 25, Surge or something, right? So,
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.